That was a really bad idea. I spray painted my nostril hairs. Ah! I just broke this. Why didn't it work? I'm shooting it the wrong way. I almost ripped my finger off. Hey guys, it's maiphammy here. Make sure to subscribe to be a part of the family and comment something down below because I read every single one of my comments. Also, don't skip the ads if you want to help us out. Today I'm going Today I'm going to be doing a room decoration video, and I know I've done probably 20 of these on my channel, but guess what? We're in a new location. We're in Los Angeles, baby. I still have my house back in Canada, if you guys are wondering. I did not fully move from there. I just have a room here in Los Angeles and a house back in Calgary. But if you guys didn't watch my last video, I went to IKEA about 3 weeks ago, bought all of this stuff behind me, and then never set it up because I'm really lazy and I'm used to getting people to build it for me. But nope, that is not the case today. I'm gonna build it all myself because I'm a big girl. Ew. I hated that. Anyways, if you guys don't know, I tried to go on a budget of less than $500 and I only spent $300, which is pretty good in my opinion. If you guys don't know, I'm living in Daniela's house. Go watch my last vlog if you guys are confused. So you guys are gonna come along this journey with me, even though it's gonna be really painful to watch because I procrastinate everything and I have a attention span of like 5 minutes and I have a peanut brain. Enjoy! Subscribe if you guys haven't already. Let's try to get to 1.3 million subscribers. I would literally love you guys forever. Okay, so this is everything that I bought for the room, and there's also some stuff from Goodwill in this bag, a bunch of spray paint, those crates. So I think I'm gonna start by spray painting these crates just because it's gonna take a little longer to do, and then we'll start building things. Okay, so I brought the crates outside and they're really dusty, so I need to wash them before I spray paint them, I think. Okay, it's working. Ah! Okay. I'm gonna let these dry before I spray paint them. So I got this bench that I got from IKEA, like a stool, and I got this Great Stuff Big Gap Filler. I saw this girl do a TikTok where she used this to create like the something Westman mirror kind of look or whatever. I don't even know what it actually is, to be honest. Don't quote me on that. I wanna try this and see if it'll work. I'm kind of scared because it says use protective eyewear and gloves, but I don't have either of that, so we're just gonna wing it. It's working. Kind of fluffy. Now what? I don't know what to do. Do you guys see that? Maybe we do the sides. It's gonna fall. It's gonna fall. It's gonna fall. No, that was a bad idea. That was a bad idea. That was a really bad idea. How do I make it stick to this? No. This looks kind of silly, but it's okay. This is a lot harder than I thought it would be. It's not sticking. Oh my god, this is all just falling off. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and I think that this is the best it's gonna get. It's really messy, but I tried my best. But now we're gonna spray paint things. Okay, so I just laid out all 3 of them, and I'm gonna first use white spray paint so that there's like a good base because I feel like black is gonna be really hard to spray paint over. Ew, the grass is wet and gross. Ugh, the fumes. I'm going in little coats because I don't want them to like drip down, you know, like from being so coated. I don't know. I ran out of white spray paint, so now I just have to go in with like the yellow and the colors. I also have mud all over my knees now, but it's fine. I hope this works. Okay, so I spray painted the crates and now they're just drying. This is what they look like. They're not the best, but definitely better than black. This over here is drying. It's gonna take probably the whole night to dry and finish. But now I'm gonna go upstairs and in my room and we're gonna try to build a shelf. I was just looking in the mirror and I spray painted my nostril hairs. Like the spray paint when I was spraying like flew back into my nostril hairs and my nostril hairs are now white. I have this shelf that I bought from IKEA. I need to build it now. I don't really know how to build it, but I guess we'll see. What am I supposed to do? It wants me to screw this on or on, right? Is this the right thing? What? What did you say to him? Boy Jama, I said. He was like, just the ones lucky. And I said,
can't believe you said that. Ah! You're a crazy psychopath.
I'm really not. It's just called having fun, Danny.
Don't skip the ads.
Don't skip the ads. She's right.
Don't
Don't skip the ads. How do I connect these if I want them to go together? I put this on this and then these be connected. I'm so confused. I don't really know exactly what I'm doing, to be honest, but it's fine. Okay, wait, I clipped it on, but why isn't it like snapping? Is it supposed to snap in? Oh my god, I thought I just broke it. I got scared. Okay. Ugh, this is difficult. Did I do this right? No, I don't think I did this right. How do I do this? Why does this one not look the same as others? Ugh, I hate building furniture with a burning passion. I'm supposed to take it like this and slide it through. Ugh. Ah, what did I just do? Ugh, I hate this. Can someone help? Please? Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Fine. It's fine. It's totally fine. Ah! Okay, I finished building the shelf. It's a lot bigger than I thought it would be, to be honest. But it's like not my style at all, but it's like the theme of the room. So I'm just gonna hope it works out. What the fuck is this? Like, what is this? This looks like it belongs in a restaurant. This is what my room's looking like right now. I let my phone die, and I'm not gonna let myself charge it, because if I charge it, then I'm gonna be on my phone looking at TikToks, and I can't do that to myself because I need to get shit done. And if my phone is alive, then I'm just gonna go on my phone the whole time. Anyways, I'm going to take this cardboard downstairs to clear it out of my room. Now I need to build a clothing rack. This is from IKEA as well. It looks really easy though. I don't think this one should be too hard. I think you just take this and this, put it in, and then it says to take a screwdriver with this. Wow, yeah, I'm explaining this like you guys are gonna do this. I have spray paint all over my hands and I can't get it off. It is working, yeah. Okay, okay, okay. This one goes in here. Who needs a man? I don't need no man. I'm self-sufficient. Although a man would help. It doesn't even have to be a man, just like anybody. My mom, please. My mom. She wanna fly out to LA. Take this. All the dogs are barking. Okay. Okay. Oh my god, wow guys, I'm doing this so... Oh, whoopsies. You weren't even supposed to turn it because there's nothing to put in it. Okay. Here, and this goes here. Awesome. Ah! Talking to it like it's my dog. Stay still. Do I know what I'm doing? Not really. Is that it? That's it. I just built my clothing rack. Wow, that literally took me 5 minutes. I'm so proud of myself, actually, though. Okay, so now I'm done with the clothing rack. I'm gonna build this thing that I got from IKEA as well. It should look like this. Wait, why won't this go in? Oh my god, this is actually so easy to build. Boom. Okay, I just built that. Wow, that was a lot easier than I thought it'd be. So now I have 3 pieces of the furniture done. Let's do this lamp now. So I got this lamp from IKEA as well. I could open it. It'd be nice. I got a knife. I saw this lamp on TikTok as well. Someone said to get it, so I got it, and it was actually pretty decently priced, I think. I think it was like $5 maybe. Screw it in here. Pop the lid on it. That took 2 seconds. Very cute. Here's another accessory, and then I just broke this. So I got this, which I thought was cute, but clearly can't use it anymore. I just broke that all.
2 days later.
Hello, hello, hello. Okay, so it is a couple days later, and I got lazy. And I did nothing to my room. But are we supposed? No. But I thought I need to stop being lazy, because I'm about to go home in like a week and a half, and I haven't even done my room yet, and the whole point of doing this was that so I could have a nice room while I'm here. But that's fine. I'll be back in December. The next part of this mission is using this staple gun to staple gun this piece of fabric that I got from Joann's Fabrics on my headboard so that it's not gray, because I don't like the gray color. Why didn't it work? Oh, I'm shooting it the wrong way, my dumbass. What happened? What the keeps happening? This is honestly a lot easier than I thought it would be, like way easier. And it's turning out pretty good, I think. You pull and then staple. And it's really easy. Pull, staple, pull, staple. Let's see if I can hold a camera and do it at the same time. Pull. We're doing multitasking. Staple. I just finished it and it literally took me maybe 15 minutes, not even, because I was procrastinating, but it looks so freaking good. Like, whoa, I feel like that's a good DIY. Look, it's really pretty from the front, and then the back, oh my god. But you know what, no one's gonna see it anyways. Oh my god, I'm snapping it. It is breaking. I'm a little dumbass. Danny, can you help me? This is a fucking mission. It looks so different. Ready? Okay, no. I'm gonna get trapped. I'm literally f***ing trapped, bro. Ah! Alright, I'm literally sweating. That was a lot of f***ing work. Oh my god. Okay, so I got my pink sheets because I wanted to do pink and yellow. I have this yellow set from IKEA as well. I had this in my first apartment. I know you're supposed to wash sheets before you put them on, but I don't give a fuck. If I die, then I die. How the fuck do I open this? I wash my sheets like every week anyways, so I don't really care. Okay, that took so long. Now I need to do the pillows. So I bought some pillows from IKEA because I didn't know how many more I would need, but I wonder how good these are. I think I have to like let them fluff up a bit. I always sleep with 2 pillows stacked. I don't know why. Ever since my nose job, with my I had to sleep with 3. I've just always done 2 pillows stacked, and I sleep like really high on my neck now for something. Probably not good for me. This looks so weird to me with like a bunch of colors. I'm not used to it. I'm sweating. Like my nose is sweating so much. Like the most fun part of this was the staple gun. I don't know why. Did anyone's parents used to just like bring them to work? Well, my parents were construction workers. They couldn't afford a babysitter at the time, so they would just bring me and my siblings to work, and we would just use staple guns and use drills and shit and just like make creations with wood and nails and staple guns. Anything we could find. I don't really remember my childhood. Okay, so I just cleared out the room a little bit and I cleaned it up. This is what it's looking like. I moved the mirror from here and I'm putting it in that corner, I think. But in here, I think I want to put this. Oh my god, it's a freaking mess out here. But I think I want to put this, which Danny just had here, in there and try to fill up the space. But I need to clear off this first. That looks so good. I think it fits pretty good in there. I really wanted to be able to put a shelf or something, but I don't think that would fit. Or maybe we could try. I don't know. We're gonna try it. Ow! I just smacked my head on it. Ow! That hurt. Oh, this is heavy. That's definitely not fitting in there. Oh my god. Oh my god. It fits. It fits. I'm putting this in there. Who would have thought? Not me. That fits like perfectly. Okay, now I need to figure out this situation. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do this mirror in the corner like that, and then this here. I don't really know. I don't really like that. You know what? I've changed my mind again. Although it's really nice that that gray shelf fits perfectly there, I don't want it there because I think it's gonna look better here where all my shit is gonna be displayed. I hate this too. I've been thinking, okay? I've been thinking. I've been drinking. So I hate the setup of this room and I don't know why I did this. I'm such a dumbass, but I need to move everything now because I hate what I'm doing. I can't do this myself. Can you help me? I need you to help me move something, my bed. We just moved it, but I found this. And it's a part of the bed. The bed might break. Oh my god, this looks so much better to me. Like, so much better. Okay, so now I need to decorate right there. I'm not really sure what I want to do, but I'm just gonna kind of wing it and kind of put things there and go as I do it, because I don't really have a plan. Okay, so I went in the garage and I just found this extra box and I just put it there so that that bag could be more raised. I put my bags all there, and then also I found this in the garage and cleaned it off. And in the closet I found this, which is just a literal new record player, which is so cool. Wait, where are the cords? Did it fall outside? This thing doesn't work without cords, and it came with cords. I don't know where I put it. Anyways, record player, which is super cool. Oh, I found it. So that's nice, but I'm gonna set up the shelf and we're gonna see how it goes. Okay, I'm gonna do all my shoes. Oh, that looks so cute to me.
The next day.
It's another day. So my camera died yesterday, so I didn't have time to do anything, but I'll do the little decorations now. I have a couple things, like this freaking bubblegum thing that I got from Goodwill, but I'm too lazy to actually blow dry this tag off, so this is gonna have to work for now because honestly I don't care. I don't know what I want to put in here, but I think it's just cute as it is. Also, I have this vase. I bought pink one from Ikea, but I guess it was a display only, so they couldn't sell it to me. But I think I'm gonna put these flowers in these vases. Also, what the f is this outfit? It's like a dress, and I put a blouse under it, but it's cute, okay? So I have this. I was gonna spray paint it pink, but I actually ran out of spray paint, so this is just how it's gonna be for now. Maybe when I come back here in December, I'll actually do something with it. This was $3.99. It just looks like that. And then I also have this teapot. I want to put flowers in this as well. I think I want to go to Goodwill next time I'm back here and get a couple more things for my room, and it'll look super cute. Maybe I'll do this flower. That looks stupid as well. And this. No, that looks stupid as well. I don't know how to make this look pretty. You know what? I'm just gonna go like this and call it a day. I think that looks fine. I almost broke it. Bro, honestly, I really don't care. Do I have another vase? I do. So I have all of these, and I need to find a place to put them. Put one of these here. This right here, maybe. This. I need to clean this off. This right here. This here. This here. This here. It's basically supposed to just look all over the place. So I completely forgot that I bought these picture frames. So I'm on the CVS website right now and ordering pictures, but it's only $8.76, which is really cheap compared to Walmart back in Canada.
The next day.
Okay, hello. So it is another day now. I finally got an extra pillow, and then I also got my pictures in so we can hang those up. I'm gonna put these pillows in these pink pillowcases that I got off of Amazon because I just wanted my room to have more color. So I got these for like I think $5 off of Amazon. Super affordable. Awesome. Now let's make the bed. Also, these pants. Ah! This bitch. It's the tag on the back of the shirt for me. And then, ah! I almost ripped my finger off. Okay, so I got my pictures in. Turns out they're really shitty quality, but we're gonna have to work with it, I guess. Picture. Okay, now let's hang these up. Okay, I'm just gonna wing it and put it on this wall. Honestly, don't really care if it's crooked or not, because why would I? Okay, Okay, so I just want to show you guys how the room turned out. I'll probably do an in-depth room tour in December because I'll be back in LA. I'm leaving LA for 2 weeks and then I'll be coming back. But eventually I want to get a little bit more decorations. I feel like it's not finished yet, but for the amount of money that I spent and how long it took me, I think it turned out really good. So let me show you guys. Also, I'm not wearing pants right now, so I will not be showing you guys my mirror. This is what it looks like. I also got the pink pillows, as you guys saw. I feel like it just adds more color. And then this just holds a bunch of things. I feel like there's a lot of storage in this room if I need it. This clothing rack, which has all of my clothes that like I need to make a haul video on. This turned out pretty good, I think. I feel like I could have done a better job, but whatever. This mirror that I'm not gonna show very well because I'm not wearing pants. Just this little corner, that's my dog's crate that I think I'm just gonna move. I think I did a pretty good job for the budget that I had, and I worked with everything that was already in this room basically, which was super nice because I didn't have to buy like a bunch of new things. But yeah, I absolutely love doing room decor videos, and I wish I was moving more often so I could do them. I think I'm obsessed with interior decorating, so the next time I move, wait for that. I honestly think the next time I move is gonna be March, April time, so get ready for that. But it's coming close to a year since I've lived in the house that I'm living in now, so I'm super excited to move again. You guys are probably sick of it, but you know, I'm gonna keep doing it, okay? Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and comment something down below because I do read every single one of my comments. Also, follow me on Instagram, please. I would really appreciate it. And the spam account is where it's superior. But yeah, until next time, peace.
East and the west, I'm racking up on my breath, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her.